In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a journal entry in Zoho Books. Whether you're correcting a mistake or updating details, editing journal entries is a crucial part of maintaining accurate accounting records. So, let's dive in and ensure you know exactly how to make those adjustments smoothly and accurately. First, you'll want to navigate to the Accountant module within Zoho Books. If you glance over at the left sidebar on your screen, you'll notice a range of options. From there, click on the option labeled Accountant. This will reveal a drop-down menu. Do take a moment to look through all of the options. After you've located the Manual Journals link, click on it. This step brings you to the main area where all manual journal entries are stored, allowing you to search for the specific entry you need to edit. Next up, you'll select the particular manual journal entry you wish to modify. With all your journal entries displayed, take a moment to scroll through or utilize the search function to quickly find the entry you're looking for. Once you have located it, click to open it up. This will bring up all the details associated with that particular journal entry. Once the journal entry is open, you'll see a button at the top of the journal's detail page labeled Edit. Go ahead and click the Edit button to enter the mode where changes can be made. It's here that you can start adjusting the information in your journal entry. Within the editing mode, you have the freedom to make a variety of changes. Among the most common adjustments include updating the date, adding or modifying notes, or altering reference numbers associated with the entry. Additionally, you can change the debit and credit accounts and amounts as needed. If your transaction involves multiple currencies, or if you need to change the reporting method, these are also options available for editing. Don't forget that line item details, which are often specific to each entry, can also be adjusted to reflect the most accurate information. Once you're satisfied with all the changes you've made, it's crucial to save your edits to ensure they're reflected in your accounting records. At the bottom or top of the page, you'll find the Save button. Click Save, and your modifications will be officially applied to the journal entry. This step is important not just for accuracy, but also for maintaining a reliable financial record. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily edit journal entries in Zoho Books. It's a simple process, but one that is vital to maintain precision in your tracking. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.